It was very good, very smooth. They were clean, fast, helped me. I was home by myself, so they helped move the last few things that I couldn't, and they were quick. I mean, it took all day, but considering I had like 17 windows and a door, it literally took all day, and they were in and out as much as they could be. Very much. This is a room that was very hot before because it's not completely insulated, and it's already changed the temperature where we can hang out, and it's actually a room that is like usable now. It's very well. They called every time there was an update and gave me time frames, and would check in on those time frames, so very well. Yep, I actually have. I put you guys on next door, I believe, and I sent it to a couple